Halo guys, hari ini kita swab test. Halo guys, hari ini kita rapid test. Oke, ini rapid test brand Longini available in Tokopedia, Bukalapak. Alright, alcohol swab, needle, okay, pipette, and then this is the catalyst. Alright, so let's start. Okay, before that we'll have a look at the instruction manual. So to drop of specimen here. Okay, you can see here how to. Alright, this is how it is done. Okay, fine. Allow the test device and specimen to remove the test cassette from the sealed pouch. Hold the dropper vertically and transfer one drop approximately 10 microL with whatever specimen into the front of the specimen, making sure that there are no air bubbles. Further, better precision, transfer specimen by a pipette capable of delivering around 1 drop 10 UL of volume. I don't know what is the meaning of it. See the illustrations. Okay, then add 2 drops approximately of buffer immediately into the specimen. This is the buffer. Alright, wait for colored lines to appear. Interpret the test results at 15 minutes. Do not read the result after 20 minutes. So we have to read the results only within 15 minutes. After 15 minutes the result will not be correct. So it says that 1 line is negative, 2 lines positive. I don't know. Alright, let's begin the test. Okay, I'm going to open this. Alright, this is the CoFit rapid test kit. Alright, then we will put it on a height just in case, so we'll keep it here so that the blood flows directly when we put. Okay, now I will take the alcohol swab. Okay, I will clean it. 1 minute, let's open this. Alright, we have to sanitize. Okay, let's keep it here. This is the jarum needle. Okay, so we have the blood coming in. Okay, let's actually I took more blood. 1 drop is enough. Sorry, you have to see the blood here. It's not. Alright, I took the blood. Then I will put 1 drop of specimen right here. Okay, 110 ml. Alright, so make sure that there are no air bubbles. Okay, now 1 drop of specimen. After that 2 drops of this buffer. This is called a buffer catalyst. Yeah. Alright, 2 drops approximately, or buffer immediately. Start the timer. Okay, so we have to start the timer now because we have to check the results within 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see the blood and the specimen are flowing directly in the reading area, so it will give test results immediately after 15 minutes. Alright, just keep it on. I will put my timer on. Yes. Alright, countdown begins. So with this, we set the time to 15 minutes. Okay, interpretation of results. The picture is for reference only. Please refer to the material object. I don't know what is the stuff. Anyways. Okay. Alright, see. So this is already done. You can see the test result. There is a light, very light line. This is one line, which means the result is negative. Right? As per the picture, you can see here in the graph. You can see here that it shows negative. You can see if there are two lines, this Ig and this IgM, it means positive, but alhamdulillah it is negative. So this is how we do our rapid test by ourselves. Very easy. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. You see the test results, it is getting dark. This means negative. Sorry. This is a brand called Coingili, available in the market. It costs, one box costs around 1.500.000, 25 piece. It's approximately 50,000 satu biji. Alright. Okay. Alright, you can see the result. I hope it is clear enough. Okay guys, thank you.